Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious ham, egg, and cheese breakfast tortilla wrap. So let's get started. Yeah, before we start making our tortilla wrap, we're going to need an egg here. So we got an extra large egg. And we're going to add some green peppers. Now these are poblano peppers, mildly hot. So we'll just put some of them in there. And we're going to add green onions. We'll put some of those in there. They always make it taste good. Green onion. And we're going to add some ham in there. Chopped ham. Yeah, I definitely always cut too many of these. But it's good. Okay, we'll put those in there. Now we're going to add a little salt. Add a little bit of pepper. Add a little bit of garlic. Add some onion powder. Add some smoked paprika. We'll try that this time. This sounds good, smells good, and tastes good. Alright, now we're going to add like 1 ounce of milk. Now this, you could add 1 ounce of water or 2% milk, whatever you have. Just add milk. Now we're going to stir that up. Okay, we're going to put that aside. Now we're going to set our burner to medium-low. Put a little bit of oil in the pan. And let that warm up a bit. Okay, our pan seems warm enough. So we're just going to add our egg mixture. Okay, we'll cover that and let that cook a little bit, maybe 2 minutes. Okay, let's uncover that and see how we're doing. Okay. Now we're going to just take our tortilla and we're going to put that right down there on top of that. Push down lightly. Get it to stick. Okay, we'll cover that and let that cook maybe 1 more minute. Yeah, let's see how we're doing here. Is it stuck? Nope. We might be able to flip that, but I'm going to use a lid this time. Let's try it. Let's get something to scrape that with. Okay, not bad. Not bad. Okay, let's spritz that with a little bit of cheese. Cheese is always good. Now you can use American cheese, you can use grated cheese, grated sharp, any kind of cheese you like. It's really good. Now I got 2 pieces of American here, but I don't know, maybe we'll make them in strips. Put little strips. Like this. Then we'll go ahead and let that cook a little bit. Let it melt a little, and we'll fold that up. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, looks good. Now we're going to probably roll it up, but first we're going to give it a little bit of extra salt, a little bit of extra pepper, some extra garlic, because we like garlic, and onion powder. There you go. Now we're going to flip him. There you go. Alright. There you have it. Got a little piece of ham there. Okay, let's let that melt just a little bit more. Okay, we make sure our burner's turned off. And there you go. It's done cooking. And it's pretty thick. And it's rolled up. And the cheese is coming out. See the cheese? Well, there you have it, guys. A delicious ham, egg, cheese breakfast tortilla wrap. And it's a good one. It's nice and thin. And the egg in there, and the ham, and the green peppers, the mildly hot ones. Yep. Yeah, I can't wait to get into that one. Yeah, let's see if the cheese comes out of the pan. Oh yeah. Nothing to it. Okay, let's get into our delicious ham, egg, cheese breakfast tortilla wrap. Let's cut that in half and see how it is. Alright, let's take a look. Oh yeah, you see that? Look how nice that is. That's beautiful. Alright, we're just gotta have a little taste. Okay, let's see how that is. Oh yeah. That's gonna be tasty. It looks a little hot though. Mmm. Oh yeah. You're gonna love this one. Oh, that's loaded with cheese. Can you see that? Wow, is that tasty? You're gonna love these kind of wraps. These are really moist and thin when you roll them up kind of early. You make your egg a little fluffy, and it's kind of hard to flip them kind. So you can use your lid of your pan to flip them over. But it worked out good. Yep, that's gonna be tasty. You're gonna enjoy these. You know what? Yep, I'm just gonna have to make another cup of coffee. That sounds good.